Yo, what's going on, guys? Rohan with you, and I am bringing you this extremely special video to talk to you about a free list building training. Okay, this is like a affiliate marketing business in a box solution. Okay, and why this is so amazing, and I wanted to make this video about it is because this is something that anybody can start with. Like if I put myself in the situation 5 months ago where I was making $0 per month. Even though I was trying to do something online for like 4 5 months, but nothing was working. I wish that I had something like this to begin with. Because this funnel, it comes as close to done for you as much as possible, right? So it teaches you everything. It doesn't even take that much time to implement. I implemented it in like 15 minutes. The videos are, you can watch them, and the time for the videos are worth maybe half an hour, and you can implement it on the spot. Actually, it doesn't take time. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you the funnel, I'll show you the training, what it is, and it covers everything. All right, and I'll show you my results as well from the initial run. Okay, so that you can see how effective this thing is, and it's really something that you can take and just run with. Okay, so this is the opt-in page. Okay, I'll leave the link to this funnel below. And when you click that, this is the opt-in page that you'll get. So free training reveals how to build a quality list that generates sales on a small budget. Okay, it's exactly what it says. I'm going to put in my email here, and it redirects you to the free list building training. Okay, there are like 10 steps over here, and it's all very easy to follow. The step 1 is how it all works. Okay, the general overview. All right. Step 2 is how do you qualify for 100 free bonus clicks. Okay, so definitely watch that because that's worth like $70 right there. Okay, then step 3 is to get your squeeze pages. Now all the squeeze pages are already done for you over here. Okay, so first what you got to do is create your ClickFunnels account, and then just import these 10 landing pages in there. It's as simple as possible. Okay, no need to use your own brains. All right, step 4 is connect your autoresponder. So there's a button over here to sign up for Get Response. Okay, and when you click this button and sign up for Get Response, not only do you get $30 credit into your account, but you also get the first month free. Okay, and now not only that, but you're getting 30 email swipes. So all you got to do is just put in the swipes. Okay, this is step 5. Just put in the swipes, set up an autoresponder for like 30 days, or use them as broadcasts. You'll get more information in the training itself. As you can see, this video is only worth like 1 minute and 39 seconds. So it's all quick and very easy to follow. Okay, step 6 is to sign up for the affiliate network. Okay, the recommended one is Nexus, and I'm going to show you my own Nexus account, which I signed up this month, and I'll show you my earnings this month so far, which is January 2019. Okay, step 7 is to just get your system connected. Okay, for that you'll need to grab a meta page over here. Again, it just imports into ClickFunnels, and you can just change a link. That's all you need to do. It's very simple. Then a reminder to join the free Facebook group where you're going to get free training and free support. Okay, step 8 is to buy the traffic and start making sales. So I did this very step as well myself, and I'll show you the kind of sales I got immediately in the first run. Okay, and you can connect with the seller over here if you like. Okay, that's there as well. And step 9 is refer others to earn more commission. So I mean, it's amazing because you can refer this same program to others and make commissions yourself. Okay, and it's not only on just one thing, it's on multiple things. So I'll leave the details so that you can actually look at it and see. I don't want to like tell you the whole movie and then tell you the ending as well. It'll spoil all the fun. But make sure to go through that. And step 10 is free advanced training also. So once you go through this whole thing, that will set you up with the absolute basics that you need to know to start a whole internet marketing business from scratch. Stuff like this I struggled with over 2-3 months, learning one by one by myself, like email marketing, autoresponders and landing pages and all that stuff. Here you're getting it all done for you. It's amazing. Okay, and then you can access the advanced training from here. So just follow the steps. Okay, it won't take, you can set up your whole system in 1 or 2 hours maximum. Okay, and then just buy your clicks. That's it. So what I did, okay, was I went in for 1,000 clicks. Okay, you can book less clicks than that also, but I went in for 1,000 clicks from here, and these are my results. You can see the dates. This is from January 1 to January 27, and I will sort it out by revenue. You can see here. Okay, 600. I distributed it. okay, among different offers, and my total earning was $270. You know, that is almost kind of halfway towards break even for the clicks itself. And now I have this email list. You know, I got a 47% opt-in rate from that. So I have like 470 emails that I can email every day as well, using the same email swipes that were given in the training. And I can just pretty much just either use the same offers from here, or like Warrior Plus offers, or whatever you want actually. But as you can see, here's my earnings. So honestly, I just want to show you that this system works. Just take it and run with it. You don't have to be a newbie only, even if you're an advanced marketer. Like for me, I know a little bit. I wouldn't call myself an advanced expert or anything, but I'm implementing this on the side now to build my email list for free and make sales at the same time. So honestly, it's a great system, and by referrals, you can make more commissions. So go through the whole training. Okay, it won't take you more than an hour. Honestly, it's the most as close as done for you as possible that you will ever get, to be really honest. Okay, so just try it out. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. And you know, I'll leave links below to this funnel and my contact information so that you can get in touch with me if you need any help at all. All right, so cheers guys, enjoy this funnel, make the most of it, and I hope you see success in a big way. Okay, all right, see you.